and I'm Nancy Glick, and I am a proud employee of Positive Education Program, where I've been since 1980. So I have been there as the Juvenile Court liaison for almost 33 of those years, working with children and being a liaison between our program and the juvenile court system. So part of my duties are that I get to go to court with the children and act as an advocate for them in whatever ways that they may need help. Positive Education Program is the largest child serving agency in the county, and we are under the auspices of the Educational Service Center. We run day treatment centers for troubled and troubling children who are referred by the public schools. We have the Prentice Center for Autism, and we have Connections, which is a program that works with children and puts services around the child, with our goal being to keep the child in their home and doing much better with mental health issues, whatever it takes to make the child successful, stay in their home, and hopefully attend, a neighborhood school. We also run programs for children in daycare centers, and that is such a special program also because it helps early identification of children. We also have a wonderful special program that works in the public schools for another early identification of children with special needs. So hopefully we can get them the services they need and they're on their way and being successful. Positive Education Program was started many years ago at Vanderbilt University by Dr. Nicholas Hobbs, who started the re-education movement. And he had such a wonderful philosophy about working with children. And we each have the philosophy in every classroom. I have it in my home, I have it on my desk at work, and it talks about our philosophy that each child should know joy every day, that competency can be taught. That each new day for our children, we hope, is a bigger and better day for them, and we all work together as mental health professionals to do that. I went to law school and graduated, in 1986. And I already had this job, but I just wanted to have more knowledge in working with children. And that has really been a benefit because I've been able to work on legislation. Positive Education Program is just this wonderfully fantastic program that allows us to do what we need to do to help children. So I've gotten to work on the state level, I've gotten to work on the county level, I've gotten to work on Senate bills, and because we actually do the work with children, hopefully we can really help be very realistic about what works with children and what doesn't work with children. I've worked with my boss, Dr. Frank Fesser, for almost 35 years, and I've been very privileged that my bosses have also been my friends. Dr. Rico Pallotta, who our main building is named after, was the first director of the entire Positive Education Program, and he started it. And his legacy still lives on today, which I am very, very proud of. Every day I get to go to work, and it's a privilege to work with kids. I am like the luckiest person. And because of that, I have 2 children who are child advocates. My daughter's going to work with special needs children through medicine. She's going to be a doctor. And my son's at the World Bank presently as a consultant and working to solve problems all over the world. And I'm proud that my husband, Randy Solomon, does a lot of charitable work in the community. So I'm a lucky person.